All right, our fourth graders are playing bowling for dollars. They're trying to earn as much cash as they can by knocking down as many pins as they can in 2 shots. After they finish their 2 shots, their scorekeeper will come up to the banker, who is located up here, and they will tell the banker how many pins that they knocked over in 2 shots total, and the banker will pay them. Now, if students collect a lot of cash in their hoop and they have enough to trade it in some of their smaller bills for larger bills, they can cash in their smaller bills so that at the end of the game they have a lot of bills that are in larger denominations. So it looks like we've got 123 in this class or in this group right now, and they'll continue to earn money. This is what our score sheet looks like. A strike is worth 100, spares are 50, and then we kind of go down all the way down to 1. Oh, you just got another 120. Okay, good. You're doing great. So $243 so far. Gets those kids practicing counting the money and being able to make change. Ooh, close. Now the kids still work in this rotation with their group. They get to bowl twice. The scorekeeper is in charge of the money, going to collect the money from the banker after they've taken 2 shots. Pin setter clears away the pins on the first shot and sets them up after the second shot. And the ball returner returns the ball to the bowler after the first shot and then goes to become the bowler after the second shot. So they keep that graphic up there for the kids to help them figure out where to go in the rotation. And the students, when they earn the money, come up here to get paid. And our banker is busy handing money over and making change. Call it bowling for dollars.